as per a recent survey conducted by a leading international institute. Nearly 75% of companies reported supply chain disruption due to the pandemic-related transportation restrictions, and the figure is expected to rise. Of those, 1 in 6 companies report adjusting revenue targets downward an average of 5.6% due to this disruption. Many companies are now looking to review their SCRM process. Goals have been established to dramatically improve visibility into supplier network, increase detection speed and accuracy for disruptive events, develop a more efficient crisis response process, gain competitive advantage in an industry that shares critical suppliers, enable a proactive and strategic approach to supply chain risk management. At Intersys, our SCAIR tool has enabled companies all over the world to receive notification of disruption events, understand event impact areas instantly and visualize in the app, answer critical questions within minutes. Which Tier 1 and Tier 2 suppliers are potentially affected by this event? Which plants are at risk? Which product lines? Which materials and components are involved? Who are the contacts at each supplier site? Predict the financial impact on your business across your portfolio. Design a more appropriate insurance program and realize significant CBI savings. Visit supplychain-risk.com and get started.